What it do, y'all? So here, another one again. Today we've got a very special car. This car is crazy. It is stupidly crazy. Let me just put it that way. This is a Polo 6. I will be showing you very soon, and as always, this is how we do it. I will be showing you this is a Polo 6 GTI. This car is owned by Star. For some strange reason, Star doesn't want to be on the show. He's standing right next to me, but either way, he's still going to tell us a few things about this car here, and it is pretty much running stock. Everything that you've seen, or everything that you will be seeing over here, is running stock engine. Well, except for the exhaust, which he says he's done a few things over there. So without further ado, we are going to ask him a few things that he's done with this car here and what he loves about this car here. Aside everything, it is fast. It comes with a DSG TSI. So y'all gotta know, when VW wants to step the game up with DSGs, I mean, there's no stopping them. So yeah, we are going to get into it. Alright guys, so as I've shown you guys, this is Star's Polo 6 GTI DSG TSI. That is a whole lot of name to go about. So aside the visuals, as you can see, there's been some magnificent work done over here. The body looks really nice. I really wish you guys could see this to appreciate how beautiful it is. The colors on it, the painting, everything is just right spot on. So we will be asking Star a few things regarding why he loves this car here, and to him, what he has done with his car that he feels is really special. So Star, tell us a few things that you've done to the exhaust, because I could clearly hear the exhaust sounds completely different. What have you done to it?
Okay, I'm Star. Actually, to the exhaust itself, I only compressed the box because it came with the two boxes, the one in front and the one in the back.
Yeah.
So I only compressed the one in the back with the stainless steel, the box, with the power flow pipes at the back. So with the sound that you hear now, it's only the compression, that's all. All right,
this is amazing. It's coming straight from the owner's mouth, and yeah, I guess if anyone of you guys got a Polo TSI or a Polo GTI TSI and you want to upgrade yours, if you're interested, just let us know. Maybe you contact him, and then he's going to link you up with the modification, the little modification that he's done to this car here. And yeah, and what about the spoilers over there? Did you change it, or it came stock with the car?
No, I put it for myself because that one is a Batman spoiler.
Okay.
So yeah, I bought it.
It's a Batman spoiler.
Yeah, it's a Batman.
Yeah.
So I bought it in Pumalanga, so that's where I stay, in Petrotif. So yeah.
Oh, all right. So it was a lot easier for you to install it over there. All right. So yeah, this is it. Is there anything else that you would like to share with us as to why you love this car, or why you went with this car here, aside the fact that it is extremely light on fuel? Like, guys, this car is really quick, it is really fast, but surprisingly super light on fuel. Well, that's because it comes with a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. With the technology going on these times around, you don't really need a big liter for you. You don't really need a big liter for you to appreciate a powerful car. These cars easily slays most cars. You just cannot underrate it. And over here, you will find, he tells us that he finds a lot of people kind of wanting to take him on a race here and there by using that kind. But well, it is that obvious. Why would you have such a beast and you wouldn't want to be speeding with this? So yeah, tell us why you love this car.
Now for me, this car is it's a family car, by the way.
Yeah.
So I love this car so much. So it's light on fuel, and the parts
are easy to get.
Yeah, easy to get. And then
I believe it ticks a lot of boxes because, like you said, it's a family car. You can have a whole family in here, and if you're traveling, it will also get you there a lot faster. So like, it kind of ticks a lot of boxes because it is fast, it is light on fuel, it you can have the whole family in there, and it's got prestige to it. it is so beautiful. The look on it, wherever that star enters. I mean, I remember him coming to gym every time that he's coming over there. Yeah, he just makes a name for himself, and everyone keeps looking at him because this car, again, guys, is a complete beaut. Do you have anything else to say?
Nah.
All right, so that's just about it. We will be testing it a little bit from the inside just to hear how the exhaust sounds from the inside, and a little bit too from the inside. So let's get right into it, guys. Wow. Okay, fellas, so we will be testing this car here, and that is Star. Although he doesn't want to be in there, yeah, he's about to take us for a 9-spin. Let's hear how this car sounds. So, and if you're enjoying this video, kindly drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us a lot. And again, if you guys have any other car that you feel like you want us to review on the channel, please let us know. Send us an email, and we're going to check it out. Yeah. Okay, so Star is deciding to take us for a very nice cruise. We are going to hear how it sounds like and the overall feel to be in this actual car here. It is special, so we are getting to it.
Let's buy.
Yeah.
Do you want it on the DSG mode or on manual?
Whatever mode.
Okay, that is DSG.
Okay. Woo! Jesus. Okay, that flew. Woo. That is quick. Even I myself wasn't expecting that. Okay, so that was the automatic from the DSG. He is switching it up to the manual. That flew like a 0 to 60. I don't even know what he did over there, but it was really quick. Woof. Oh, damn. Oh my goodness. So we in the sports mode. Yeah, we can go.
You can check the exhaust is changing.
Yeah, the sound of the exhaust is changing. Wow. Jeez.
That is sport mode.
Jeez. Woo. So the between the manual, sports, and the DSG, which one is the quickest?
The quickest is the sport one, and it's so powerful.
Yeah. Woo. Wow.
That is it. You can feel the difference.
Yeah. There's certainly a difference to it. Woo! Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Different feeling. Brakes are really good.
Yeah.
Very responsive. Oh, okay. The European side is different from the American side. Mine is this way.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Polo TSI with a DSG. It's a whole new experience, y'all. It's a whole new experience. That's the only part that I wanted. Yeah. Yo, but it's quick.
Yo,
it is. Ooh.
Check.
Yeah. Ooh.
Quick.
Ooh. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the final part of the video. This car here is disgusting. I just needed to put it that way. It is so fast. Yeah. So this again is this is a 2013 VW Polo 6 GTI DSG TSI. Yeah. Star Special baby. It is a lot powerful. It is really powerful. So yeah, we will be signing off over here. This car is a true masterpiece. It really is a masterpiece. You simply just gotta love it. All right, so we will catch you guys again in the next video. Until then, I'm just gonna take a moment to myself to enjoy this car, and I will catch you guys again in the next video. So peace, y'all. Peace.